Porsche Apple partnership hinted at by car maker CEO, but don't get too excited. Not that kind of partnership. They're not going to make the Apple car. Does it have something to do with Apple CarPlay? Probably.
I think so.
Managers at sports car maker Porsche late last year traveled to the United States to discuss possible joint projects with iPhone maker Apple, as well as some other tech companies. Porsche's CEO said on Friday, "We already have Apple CarPlay. We will expand on that." Okay. He said that the Porsche and Apple traditionally cooperate closely and that they were on the same wavelength, but added it was too soon to make decisions on future projects. Here's what it should be. The iPhone should be the key. It should be the app. Find a way to like integrate it into your settings window or something without having to even open a separate app. Like your car is just a utility or something inside of the OS.
Could they do some sort of spatial audio in the car?
Let's do some spatial audio in the car. Let's get the TV Plus in the car. Let's get Apple podcasts and music. Let's have that natively without even connecting a phone. Let's have wireless Apple Car. I mean, there's so many different pieces to it. And then on the far end, on the most exciting end, is let's collaborate on an actual car.
Yes.
We'll put an Apple badge on it. You guys do all the software. We'll just do the hardware. We'll make the physical thing, and then you guys do the brains. And that's the most exciting, but the most unlikely. So we got to put that out there. Shout out Ajni.